Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. This is me Gangothri again. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the special arm balancing pose. This asana is called as elephant trunk pose. In Sanskrit, it's called as Eka Asta Bhujasana. Here, Eka means a one, Asta means a hand, like we are balancing the one leg on the shoulder and we are lifting up our body with putting up all weight on our arms. So this is very tricky pose, I can say. Most of student, they face little difficult or little hard to do this asana, because the most common thing what they say is, my arms are too short to lift up my body. It's totally wrong. If your arms are strong also, it doesn't matter, but here the point is your core. Your core need to be very strong to attempt this asana. With that, your wrist, shoulder and biceps. These are the main thing which plays very important role in this asana, and very important, even if your hip flexes or hip pelvic area which is there, it joins to the leg. If that is very stiff means, then you can't able to attempt this asana. As I told this before, our one leg will be on the shoulder or on our arm. To uplift that, the flexibility is needed. It's not only about strength, the flexibility is also very important to do this asana. So this asana is mainly targets or very important to stimulate your three chakras. What are those means? Muladhara, Manipura, Swadhisthana. These are the three chakras which helps in to get activated by performing this asana. Activating is not something that it increase up the energy or awakeningness, no. So I mean activating means it's work properly when you perform this asana. As I told this before, this asana is elephant trunk pose. There are many asana which are named as an animal, like the eagle pose, Garuda asana, the grasshopper pose, Kurma asana, which are the asana which connected to the animals, because there are certain energy in that animal. To get that energy, we perform the asana which named as Garuda asana, Kurma asana, even this pose, elephant trunk pose. When we look at to the elephant, what we see, how strong isn't it, elephant? Same stamina, same strength we get by performing this asana. So without any further delay, let's get to the asana practice. Before that, very important note, people who are suffering from recent surgery of the abdomen or any shoulder, wrist and pain, they should avoid this asana. Apart from that, anyone can do this asana. Let's get into the asana practice. So first you need to sit comfortably with stretching your legs forward and just bring your right leg up. I am trying to do on the right side, so I am bringing my right leg on the thigh. Now slowly light movement. This movement will help you up to increase little flexibility to perform this asana. Beginning time we need to do some warm up, like especially for this leg hip joint movement and even your arms too. I am just showing up little movement for our legs, that's it. Once you're done with this, just lock the foot from both hands and swing your leg right and left like this. This is very important. If you're performing for first time, you just need to follow this step one by one to attempt this asana. Once you're done for a few times, let us try to place the leg on the shoulder. Remember to raise up the leg and try to perform this. Just raise up the leg like this and just place your leg just on the shoulders like this. When you place it on the shoulder, then you can feel somewhat stretching over your glute or you're close to your hip joint. I'll show you up with the front angle that will help you to understand more how to place your leg. Like this, just need to push your leg back. Just push your leg back and lift up your leg. Remember to round your back when you are performing this asana. Just rounding the back, shoulder, ear, and just press down your palm. This is very important. This is a position you need to get in up before doing this asana. Once you are able to do this, we should push our weight on the arms. Once we push our weight to the arms, we feel our wrist. Like we feel some weight on the wrist and little engage your core like this way. Got it? This is what you need to do and relax. Now slowly by pressing the toes down, the both legs, and try to lift up your one leg up. Here you can see the engaging of the core. The engage will be happen here when you lift up your leg. Stay here for a while and relax. So this is very easy step. One thing is the quadriceps needs to be strong with your core. Let's try to lift up our body with the support of the brick. As I said this before, many students will ask, I think my arms are a little short to lift up this asana. If you're thinking like that, then the bricks will help you to lift up your body from the ground. This is very important. This pose need to be lift up your body off the ground. The lifting should happen. Once you perform this daily regularly, then you can easily do it off. Slowly, same way, legs up, pressing your palms on the brick and just push your weight on your arms and just lift up your hip like this. This is how you should perform this. Because when you lift up your hip first, then you can learn how to put the proper weight on your arms. Remember to round your back and lift up your body. If you not round your back and trying to lift up, you start jumping again and again. But you can't able to do the asana at all. Let's try to lift up the front leg. Same way, get into the pose. By lifting up your hip, lift up your leg. And relax. So you feel very engaged on your core. The quadriceps, very nice for you, strengthening up your core. This is very important. First to strengthen your core, then to attempt this asana. So compared to your arms, the core need to be very strong. If you feel little hard to lift up with this brick position, try to turn the brick like this and you can try to lift up this pose. As long as possible, try to hold this pose and remember to breathe in and breathe out normally. Automatically, without knowing us, we'll start holding the breath. Try to breathe normal. So once you are able to do easily with the brick support, let's try the asana without brick support. Slowly, same way, leg on the shoulder. Slowly lift up and stay here. And relax. This is very important to engaging your core and just push your body. This part is there, na? Push it back by rounding your body. Then that will help for you to uplift your hip more. Let me show you up one more time to lift up the body by seeing up few benefits by performing this asana. This asana strengthens your arms, shoulder and abdomen muscles. It stretches the hip and the glute. Your balance and coordination will be used to raise up your body. This asana can help you to move, improve the focus, concentration, improve the digestion, tones up your abdomen muscles, promote the inner strength and energize your body. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. So keep practicing daily without any give up. So sometimes some asana might take little long time to practice. That's totally fine. See you on another video. Till then, have a great day. Take care and namaste. Be happy.